The Aerowerks mesh belt is a unique conveyor belt option that can help you with your conveying needs. The side-flexing modular plastic belt is ideal for trayless applications. Its mesh-style design provides a balanced surface to transport loose dishware and cutlery without the possibility of these items getting caught up in the belt. The side-flexing mesh belt can make right, left, and even S-turns with ease. The side tabs on the mesh belt helps hold the belt down on turns. The mesh belt is offered in 12-inch, 15-inch, and 18-inch depending on your application. The return portion of the mesh belt conveyor is a cantilever design, meaning that access slack in the belt is automatically being taken up. The Aerowerks mesh belt conveyor features a hinge section at the tail end of the belt line. For cleanup, this hinge releases the tension on the belt, allowing operators to easily lift the belt up to spray away food debris from underneath. The mesh belt is constantly being sprayed with water and detergent at the drive end. It features a heavy-duty wash chamber that has spray arms positioned to wash the belt efficiently from the top and bottom. It also consists of external removable catch basket to clear solid food waste without stopping the operation. Electric photo eye sensor located at the end of the conveyor stops the belt when it's fully accumulated and reactivates when cleared. All the controls are conveniently located in an intuitively designed control panel. The modular plastic belt sections are held together in a pin style. Should a section or link become damaged, it is easy to remove and replace these sections. For more information about Aerowerks Mesh Belt Conveyor, please visit our website or contact one of our technical specialists.